Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Pilates, your gateway to a holistic approach to fitness and well-being. Whether you're new to exercise or seeking to diversify your workout routine, Pilates offers a myriad of benefits for both body and mind. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the origins of Pilates, explore its core principles, and introduce you to fundamental exercises suitable for beginners. Pilates, created by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century, was initially developed as a rehabilitation program for injured soldiers, and later gained popularity among dancers and athletes for its transformative effects on strength, flexibility, and posture. The essence of Pilates lies in its emphasis on controlled movements, proper alignment, and mindful breathing to engage the body's deep stabilizing muscles, primarily the core. Before we dive into the exercises, it's essential to grasp the core principles that underpin Pilates practice. Pilates encourages a mind-body connection, requiring focused attention on each movement to ensure precision and alignment. Every Pilates exercise is executed with control and fluidity, emphasizing quality of movement over quantity. Now let's explore some beginner-friendly Pilates exercises that you can practice at home or in a studio. Lie on your back with knees bent, arms by your sides. Inhale deeply, then exhale as you lift your head and shoulders off the mat, reaching your arms forward. Pump your arms up and down as you breathe in for 5 counts and out for 5 counts. Begin in the same position as the 100. Inhale to prepare, then exhale as you draw one knee towards your chest, holding onto your shin. Extend the opposite leg straight out at a 45-degree angle. Switch legs, alternating between sides while maintaining a stable core. Start lying on your back with arms extended overhead. Inhale to prepare, then exhale as you articulate your spine off the mat, peeling each vertebrae sequentially. Reach forward towards your toes, then inhale to roll back down with control, returning to the starting position. As you embark on your Pilates journey, keep the following tips in mind. Focus on form. Pay attention to proper alignment and technique to maximize the effectiveness of each exercise and minimize the risk of injury. And technique to maximize the effectiveness of each exercise and minimize the risk of injury. Listen to your body. Honor your body's limitations and avoid pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. Modify exercises as needed to suit your individual needs and abilities. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to seeing results with Pilates. Aim to practice regularly, whether it's a few times a week or daily, to reap the benefits of this transformative practice. Seek guidance. Consider taking a beginner's Pilates class or working with a certified instructor to ensure you're performing exercises correctly and safely. Conclusion. In conclusion, Pilates offers a gateway to improve strength, flexibility, and overall well-being for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. By incorporating Pilates into your fitness routine and embracing its core principles, you can embark on a journey towards enhanced physical and mental vitality. So roll out your mat, connect with your breath, and let the transformative power of Pilates guide you on your path to wellness. Welcome to our Beginner's Guide to Pilates. Whether you're new to fitness or looking to enhance your workout routine, Pilates offers a holistic approach to strengthening and toning your body while improving flexibility and posture. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of Pilates, from its origins to basic exercises you can try at home or in a studio. Pilates was developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century as a method to improve physical fitness and rehabilitate injured dancers. It focuses on core strength, flexibility, and mind-body connection through controlled movements and breath work. One of the key principles of Pilates is precision, emphasizing proper form and alignment in each exercise. Let's start with some foundational exercises. Begin by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your core muscles and inhale deeply through your nose. As you exhale, gently curl your head and shoulders off the mat, peeling your spine off the floor one vertebra at a time. This is called the Pilates imprint. These exercises may seem simple, but they're incredibly effective for building core strength and stability. Remember to move mindfully and focus on your breath throughout each movement. Pilates is about quality over quantity, so take your time and listen to your body. If you're new to Pilates, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Pay attention to your body's cues and avoid pushing yourself too hard, especially if you have any existing injuries or health concerns. Consider taking a beginner's class or working with a certified Pilates instructor to ensure proper form and technique. Pilates is a versatile and accessible form of exercise that can benefit people of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're looking to improve your strength, flexibility, or overall well-being, Pilates offers a safe and effective way to achieve your goals. So grab your mat and let's begin your Pilates journey today. Here are additional Pilates exercises to further strengthen and tone your body. Plank variation, side plank, scissors, single leg lower lifts, swan dive, side leg series, teaser, single leg teaser, side bend, push-up variation. Incorporate these Pilates exercises into your routine to enhance strength, flexibility, and overall body awareness. Remember to focus on proper form, breath, and mindful movement for optimal results. For merchandise, see the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe and click in the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.